Isomerism. What is isomerism? The compound with the same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers, and the phenomenon is called isomerism. This isomerism is a two types: structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism, also substituted part, classified as follows. First one is carbon chain isomerism. Chain isomers have the same molecular formula but differ in order in which the carbon atoms are bonded to each other. Normal pentane, isopentane, normal butane, isobutane, like that. Now, second is a positional isomerism. Position isomers have the same molecular formula but differ in the position of a functional group on the carbon chain. Butane 1 ol, butane 2 ol, like that. 1 chloropropane or 2 chloropropane, like that. Now, third is a functional group isomerism. Functional group isomers have the same molecular formula but differ functional groups, like alcohol or ether, acetone or propionaldehyde, ethyl alcohol or dimethyl ether, like that. And last is tautomerism. Tautomerism, it is a special type of functional isomerism in which the isomers are in dynamic equilibrium with each other. Example is ketone is converted into enol group. Ethyl acetoacetate is an equilibrium mixture of the following two forms. At room temperature, the mixture contains 93% of keto forms plus 60% of enol forms. So this is the tautomerism. Now, stereoisomerism. What is stereoisomerism? Some compounds have the same molecular formula as well as the same structural formula, but they differ from each other in physical or chemical properties, are called stereoisomers, and the phenomenon is stereoisomerism. It is also divided in two forms: Ez isomerism and Rz isomerism. So this Ez and Rs isomerism we will discuss in stereochemistry chapter. Now we will discuss about how to prepare alkanes. These are the example of chain isomerism. Pentane, it is also called normal pentane. This is the straight chain and this is the chain isomerism. Methyl butane isopentane or dimethyl propane, same molecular formula but different structural formula. Now this is the Corey-House reaction. In this reaction, alkyl halide, it means Rx, react with lithium halide and give the alkyl lithium. This alkyl lithium Rli react with CuI. This is react with each other and give the lithium dialkyl cuprate. This lithium dialkyl cuprate again react with alkyl halide and converted into alkane. So Rx, it means methyl bromide, so it is converted into first step in methyl lithium. We have to take methyl bromide converted into methyl lithium. This react with CuI, that it is given lithium dimethyl cuprate in second step, and third, this lithium dimethyl cuprate react with ethyl bromide, so it is give propane. So this is the Corey-House reaction. This is also R dash R dash, so it is the alkane. Now coupling reaction, Woods reaction. In this Woods reaction, 2 moles of alkyl halide react with sodium in the presence of dry ether, and a symmetrical alkane are produced and 2 moles of sodium halide are removed. So this is the Woods reaction. Now this reaction is decarboxylation process. In this reaction, carboxylic acid sodium salt is react with soda lime. Soda lime is a mixture of NaOH, sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, NaOH plus CaO. This carboxylic acid sodium salt is converted into alkane and give sodium carbonate. So as well as sodium acetate react with sodium hydroxide in the presence of soda lime and converted into methane, and byproduct is Na2CO3 is produced, sodium carbonate is produced. So this is the decarboxylation process. Now this is the process of Kolbe synthesis, Kolbe process. In this Kolbe process, sodium salt of acid react with H2O. This is the electrolysis process and converted into alkane. So here sodium acetate react with water and alkane plus CO2 carbon dioxide H2 and sodium hydroxide is removed. At anode, oxidation reaction is occurred. 2 moles of acetate ion, 2 electron is removed. It is loss of carbon dioxide and methyl radical is produced. These 2 methyl radical connected and give the alkane. At cathode, reduction process are occurred. 2 moles of H2O react with plus 2 electron and twice OH minus plus twice H radical. This twice H radical connect and give the H2 molecules. This is also Kolbe synthesis. Sodium acetate converted into alkane. So this is the Kolbe-Smith Kolbe reaction. Now addition reaction of alkane. Addition with H2 in the presence of any metal. It like platinum method. In this, double bond or triple bond alkene or alkyne react with H2 and converted into ethane. This is the hydrogenation process. This is also carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond. Ethylene or ethine react with H2, 200 degrees Celsius temperature, Ni, nickel, sodium metal or oblique platinum metal. So it is converted into CH2 like alkane, or ethine converted into ethane. This is the alkyl halide reduction via lithium aluminum hydride. Alkyl halide reduction via zinc or acid. This is the 2 type process or reduction. Here alkyl halide react with lithium aluminum hydride and give the alkane, and here alkyl halide converted react with Zn or acid. It is converted into alkane. You can see this by the reduction of alkyl halide on reduction with new hydrogen form alkanes Rx twice H converted into alkane, or remove HX halides. The